Hey guys, in this video I show the BIOS of HP Probook and Elitebook only for business version. Let's power on. Okay, let's no, it's delay. I missed. Let's power on again. Okay, escape. I use escape for fun. I use escape because all the buttons sucks. Where is? Where is the power button? Oh, okay. Okay. Is powering on. F10. Okay, there is the BIOS. No password. Okay, use English. Keyboard is no. Okay, let's start with the main. The main settings here. Okay, have system information. Have everything in every information. I change. Okay. Elitebook. Okay, Intel memory side. There is the main and the advanced information and not base. Elitebook, okay, 16,000 gigs of RAM. This is a storage device. I will change processor type Intel of 11th gen. Cache size. Don't care. Go on. Don't care. 8 gigs. Left and right. Not top. Only for Zbook is in the Zbook is included the top slot because have a bottom slot. Okay. Let's go back. We have system diagnosis to show the problems. Okay, the Bluetooth device are not available. Not currently support. Okay. BIOS event log. No. Okay. BIOS event log. Here is the log. Okay, is useless. Log shows the changes. I don't want to export the logs because there is everything personal. Have update system BIOS. We have update system BIOS. We can update in the latest version of the BIOS, but I have updated when I gave the computer. Okay, change date and time. Not like the consumers, there is a business version. Have set date to change the date. Today is 16 January 2026, and we have set time. Now is the 3 and 1/4. Okay, don't change the setting. But for a consumer version, there is a seconds, and this is not a consumer version. It's a business system IDs. Asset tracking number is here to for the school to and ownership tag to tag in the boot here the name. I set my name, my surname. Okay, replicated setup. Pick up the settings. Save custom defaults to save everything in the BIOS. Okay, apply custom defaults and exit to apply my favorite settings in the BIOS. Okay, we have apply factory defaults and exit to restore every settings when you have a used laptop, looks a school laptop, to restore everything that disabled in your change it and exit to exit. Looks like exit without saving change, saves change and exit. Okay, with save. Let's go to security. Security, we have create BIOS administrator password, create BIOS step control for F10, F3, update system ROM, WMI, change system settings, PS configuration, utility, alt, power and password. I don't want the password because it's useless. It's useless for personal use, but useful for the school. And we have post power on password to create when power on the device. It shows the password. Okay, TPM embedded security to show the trusted platform module is the cryptographed BIOS, not BIOS, chip inside. Okay, BIOS sure start to apply every security things. We say it. Secure boot configuration to power on in the secure boot to avoid the malwares, viruses. Have SPM, physical press interface, distribution technology, hard drive utilities. Have absolute persistent module current state to avoid who steals the laptop. It blocks when the thief steal the laptop. It blocks everything. Become useless. System management command. Okay. We have restore security settings to factory defaults to restore every security things, but before to restore you must digit the number in the screen and the screen and enter. It will be removed the password. Display language. To change the language, I used English for the video. Italian keyboard because I have an Italian keyboard. Schedule at power on. To power on automatically, enter wake up using a 24-hour format. Because I'm Italian, I use 24 hours and to wake system. Okay. We can power on automatically. Looks like the school. They don't. They are lazy to power on every laptop. They set every. No, Sunday no. No. They set turning on. Stay enable turn on system wakes stay boot option every settings for the boot with the boot order. We can change the priority of boot option. We can disable and enable for avoid the students to reinstall Windows is F5. Network boot is kinda useless. USB network boot useless too. But M2 is important because if is disabled the Windows will not power on. USB. Okay, let's exit. Advanced. HP sure recover. I did to reinstall Windows with a custom school or business image. I disable because I will not have the school restriction. Have advanced system option to configure all the software. I enabled virtualization to work perfectly the VMware and BlueStacks built-in device option to enable or disable every device inside. Port option. The okay, left USB ports is here, but is only one, not when, one. There is a in the right is type C and two USBs, smart card here, but it connect. Okay, this connects. Okay, we have smart card power savings, Thunderbolt Type C to charge. Okay, network settings. We keep it default because it makes tilt at the system. Power measurement option to manage remotely. Remote. No, I used remote. Okay, power, runtime, battery health. Let the HP manage battery health. Want to maximize, minimize because it blocks at 19%. Okay, remote. We have seen electronic labels. To I don't know MAC address host. I don't know. Thunderbolt to enable the charging port here and have remote P settings is useless, but I use it only for mine. We have Wi-Fi drivers. Okay, let's open Wi-Fi drivers. Okay. It's powering, is restarting, powering on. I don't care. Entering. No, it's tilted. Okay, let's do escape. There is third ROM. Okay. F3. Let's click F3. 3 third-party option ROM management, Intel Rapid Storage Technology. Look like legacy. Have my SSD drive, network device list. Okay, and I don't show nothing. Network device, my LAN, the platform. Uh, where is healthy? Okay. And I will show the system diagnostic in the future. And the video ends here. Okay, this is asset tag. It is now. Continue.